Hello, super third graders. Welcome to Language Arts today. So today is Thursday, November 1st, and remember there are no live special ed classes, so that's why you are watching this recording right now. And Friday, November 2nd, will be the same thing. You have no live class, you'll just be watching our Math Fun Friday recording. So for announcements, I wanted to remind you that you are the best third grade class ever. There is no live class Thursday or Friday, and the recordings are being emailed to you. And today and tomorrow are the last day of Red Ribbon Week. Please remember to read every day and log your minutes with Road to Success. If you're not using Road to Success, then you need to be using that calendar that I mail you at the beginning of every month. And I just mailed everybody's prize. If you got your reading goal, if you read 5 minutes every day, not 5 minutes, I said that backwards. If you read 30 minutes for 5 days every week, then you got a prize. And I checked that in Road to Success, or if you told me that you did that in our exit ticket, then I sent you the prize today. All right, here is our anticipatory set for class. So you can think about what we might be doing. Now remember, on Thursdays is writing. So today I am writing my opinion about Halloween so that I can express my own opinion to share it with others. And I'll know I got it if I can write details from the graphic organizer into my story. So this is what a graphic organizer is. Now, graphic means pictures. So we have all these pictures here, and it is organizing our thoughts or our ideas. So in the middle, it says, I love Halloween. And we kind of talked about opinion before, how we can use I think, I feel, or I believe. So you could say, if you wanted to change this in the middle, you could. You could say, I believe Halloween is the best, or I believe Halloween is fun. If you want to just keep it as I love Halloween, you can do that. Now, when you went trick-or-treating yesterday, or if you didn't go trick-or-treating on Halloween Day, maybe you went to the town trick-or-treating, or maybe you did a trunk or treat or some type of Halloween party in your town. Think about what happened. What did you do? I can blank. What could you do? What did you see? I see blank. What did you have? I have blank. And then write your conclusion. The conclusion is your sentence that wraps it up and like ends your story. So I want you to use this page. If you can print it out, that's great. If you can't print it out, then just grab a piece of paper and draw 5 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just draw the lines like this, and then write I can, I see, I have, and then write conclusion. And then this will help you organize your ideas about what you want to write. So you're doing 3 main details, and then your conclusion is like your last detail. You're kind of summarizing all of the other details, though. So this is my example. I can dress up as a superhero. I can get a lot of candy. I see lots of costumes. I see scary ones and funny ones. I have a whole bag of candy. I have a lot of fun on Halloween. And conclusion, as you can see, I love Halloween. Now remember when we talked about opinion, we said our first sentence and our last sentence are usually the same. You can do that again. I love Halloween, and then in conclusion, as you can see, I love Halloween. So you're just wrapping it all up. Or I could say, as you can see, I had a lot of fun on Halloween. Or as you can see, Halloween is a great holiday. Just something that wraps up your paper. So then, everything that you just wrote in those bubbles, you're going to make it into complete sentences and write out the story. I love Halloween. I can dress up as a superhero. I can get a lot of candy. I see lots of costumes. I see scary ones and funny ones. I have a whole bag of candy. I have a lot of fun on Halloween. As you can see, I love Halloween. So I will email you this whole lesson, and you will be able to use this paper, the lined paper if you want, to write your story, or if you just have a piece of paper at your house, just use that. It's probably easier than trying to print. So your to-do list is to fill out the exit ticket right here. After you have watched this class recording, fill out the exit ticket. Make sure you spend 20 minutes in iReady reading. And, our review was wrong. Today we worked on writing about Halloween, not a thank you letter. So sorry, my mistake. And tomorrow is, it would be Friends Hangout, but I'm not going to do a class recording of Friends Hangout because that doesn't work when it's just me. All right, that is the end, superheroes. I am going to send this to you, and please text me or email me if you have any questions.